I want to talk about the vowels and consonants of the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. In terms of vowels, it can be sorted out into three categories. There are the short monophthongs, or we can call it short vowels, the long monophthongs, or we can call it long vowels, and the diphthongs. In terms of consonant, generally speaking, it can be divided into voiced consonants and unvoiced consonants. It's worth to mention that there are also some specific terms for the phonetic alphabets from vowels and consonants, such as place of articulation and manner of articulation. But in today's talk, we are going to mainly focus on the spelling and pronunciation of the phonetic alphabets from vowels and consonants. Before we get it started, I think it's worthwhile to look at a few terminologies in order to clear up to this topic. The term vowel refers to the sounds in which there's no obstruction to the flow of air as it passes from the larynx to the lips. The examples of the phonetic alphabets, such as a, u, oi, ow. The term monophthongs refers to a vowel which remains constant and does not glide. It's also called pure vowel. The examples of phonetic alphabets, such as a, e. The term diphthongs refers to the sounds which consist of a movement or glide from one vowel to another. Or put it simply, diphthongs basically means two monophthongs are put together to form a unit. And the examples of phonetic alphabets, such as a, oi, ow. The term consonant refers to a speech sound produced by partially or completely obstructing the flow of air through the vocal tract. The examples of the phonetic alphabet, such as b, v, r, f, s, ch. Now let's look at those 7 short monophthongs, or 7 short vowels. Before we get it started, I want to note that those example words that are enclosed in single quotes and the phonetic transcriptions are enclosed in slashes in order to make the demonstrations more clearer. So those 7 short monophthongs are e, pit, a, pet, a, pat, a, pat, a, apple, o, pot, u, put. Now let's look at those 5 long monophthongs, or 5 long vowels. They are e, ki, a, ka, o, ko, u, ku, ker. Now let's look at those 8 diphthongs. A, bay, I, bay, oi, boy, o, go, ow, cow, ear, pear, air, pear, woor, poor. Now let's look at those 9 unvoiced consonants. They are p, p, t, toe, k, cap, f, fat, s, thin, s, sip, sh, shape, h, hat, ch, chin. Now let's look at those 15 voiced consonants. They are b, b, d, do, g, gap, v, vat, th, these, z, zip, r, measure, j, gin, m, map, n, nap, n, hung, l, lad, r, red, w, wet, y, yet. Alright, those are all the British phonetic alphabet. And that's it.